Hey guys, I'm Rishabh and welcome to SobeRish. Today I'm going to try and make a whiskey sour. So whiskey sour has one controversial step which many people shy away from, but it's very easy and I think you should definitely give it a try. Okay, so it requires an egg and you just need the egg white in this. It doesn't do much for the taste, but it gives it a good texture and a good froth. So I'll just separate this first. Gently, you just need the egg white and not the egg yolk. Very done. So once this is done, we're going to put about 30 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice and 30 ml of simple syrup. That's just one part of water. That's just one part water and one part sugar. And then you come behind with 60 ml of whiskey. Preferably a bourbon, but if you don't have a bourbon, other ones will also be fine. So because this drink has an egg white, we're going to do what is called a dry shake first. Gently shake it, just to give it the froth. Not much. Now add some ice to it. And shake it again. So now, the whiskey sour is supposed to be served on the rocks. Fill this glass with ice. After your glass is ready with the rocks, just pour this drink on top. So as you can see, there's a lot of foam. That's because of the egg white. It doesn't do much for the taste again, but it gives it a good texture. So now for the garnish, you're just going to take an orange peel. First extract some oil, put it in. So there you have it guys, the whiskey sour. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.